A very warm day, everyone. This is you, Ashwini, addressing from SLV English Medium School, dealing with subject English of Class 3. So, children, in our term 1, we completed 2 lessons and 2 poems. Okay, now we are going to our third lesson. The name is The North Wind. Okay, so let us go to the our third lesson, The North Wind. The third lesson name is The North Wind. Okay, all of you? In this page, we learn about this to find his ram. See, all of you? Guide the boy through the maze to find his ram. Okay, the boy find the ram. In this page, where is the ram? As ram means a male sheep. Okay, ram means a male sheep. Okay, you have to find this sheep. Okay, all of you? I will explain this page in bit part. Okay, all of you? See, children, in this lesson we have three main characters. That is, the first one is a boy, the second one is the north wind, and the third person is in. In means already we discussed in the first lesson, you know, children. Yes, what is our first lesson name? Ali and the innkeeper. Okay, so lesson lo nanda chusaru kada. So in means shop. Okay, in means shop. Okay, that means in this lesson also a N is in the air. Okay, the north wind gives a boy magic gifts that always seem to disappear. How does he recover his gifts? Read the story to find out. Okay, we learn this about this magic gifts. So let us go to our story. Okay, so see, all of you, what is this picture? Yes, it's North Wind and his boy. That is the boy. This one is some bag is there. Okay, all of you. So in this lesson we have three sections. Okay, first we are going to a section 1. Okay, children. So one day the north wind saw a boy carrying a bag of flour. Okay, one day the north wind saw a boy. Okay, the north wind saw a boy and he carrying some bag of flour. So just as the boy turned into his street means where is his house? In that street. Okay, children. So he went to his house. So the north wind blew the bag out of his hand and swept his right away. Okay, the north wind. What is the north wind doing? Yes, the north wind blew the bag out of his hand. So the north wind cried the boy in anger. Okay, turned into his street means reached the lane near his house. Okay, his street. Where is his house? In that street. So he went to that house. He's going to that house. The next minute, the north wind gave up the bag into his hand. So children, so then after that, what is the boy doing? He is crying in anger. So all of you, he followed the north wind right to his house. Then what is the boy doing? Then he followed the north wind right to his house. Okay, all of you. You took away the only the bag of flour we had. He boy said. He boy told to the north wind. What is the said? Yes, he told to the north wind. I have only 4 bag of flour we had. We have only 4. That bag only flour. So what will my mother cook for our supper? I am so hungry. I am so very hungry. Then what will my mother cook for our supper? Supper means evening meal. Okay, it's morning is breakfast, afternoon is lunch, and night time is night eating. Okay, evening meal is supper. Okay, love you. So how can how can my mother cook for our supper? So he is feel very sad. So then the north wind felt rather ashamed and tried to make up for the mischief he had done. So rather ashamed means here a quite sorry for his actions. I am very sorry to say, the north wind said. Okay, love you. So here, take this tablecloth, he said. Okay, take this tablecloth. Okay, tablecloth means a magical tablecloth. That is the a magic. Okay, love you. here, take this tablecloth, he said. If you spread it on the table. Okay, the tablecloth means, the tablecloth is we have to spread it on the table. Spread it on the table. Okay, all of you? All of you turn your page. Page number 28. Okay. You shall have everything you wish to eat. Okay, when you want that food, then you have to spread the cloth on the table and you have to eat someone. Then when you want wish some food, then it is appear on the table. So all right, said the boy, and took the tablecloth and started for home. So when he wanted to go to home. So, however, he had run very far chasing the north wind. Okay, it soon got dark. It's dark. Dark means at night time. So it is very night. So he wanted to go to the he does not wanted to go to the home. So I will stay the night yet an inn. Yes, inn means, do you know inn? Inn means a shopkeeper. Yes, shop, some a small hotel for traveling. Okay, see all of you, inn means small hotel for travelers. So he is also some traveler. Yes, so he wanted, so some in this night he wanted to stay for this inn. So he is thinking some, I will stay that night in that a small hotel. So he wanted, so hungry, he is so hungry, so he ordered the boy beans, bread and meat. Okay, beans, bread and meat ordered the boy as he spread out his tablecloth in his room at the inn. Okay, in that shop he spread the tablecloth and he ordered the beans, bread and meat. Then the food appeared magically on the tablecloth. Yes, tablecloth means, it is very magically food, its food is appear. So then appeared the magically on the tablecloth. The boy took it in and then went to bed. Then he tucked in and went to bed. Then he eated some food. Beans, bread and meat. Yes, he eaten and he went to bed. Okay, all of you? See children, coming to the section 2. The sly innkeeper had watched all this through the keyhole. See all of you? He is an innkeeper. So he is watching the through his keyhole, through the keyhole. So what is his observe? Yes, how can the boy order the beans, bread and meat? How can he order? How can it appear this magical? What is the tablecloth? He can't understand. So he observed the keyhole. So late at night, he quietly stole the tablecloth while the boy slept suddenly. Okay, love you? Then when the boy slept, then after that, he quietly stole the tablecloth. When the boy sleeping is there, then after that, the innkeeper stolen the tablecloth. The next morning, the boy was hungry again. As usual, every day we are very having hungry, yes, Yes. Then after his boy also, he was very hungry again. But there was no tablecloth and so no breakfast. When the tablecloth is there, he wanted some food order. Yes, but there is no tablecloth and there is no breakfast. So the boy went right back to the north wind and complained. Where is he going? To the north wind. The boy went to the north wind and complained. Okay, you are a cheat, north wind. Yes, what is it said? You are a cheat. You are a cheat. Yes, you are a cheat, Northwind. You have taken back your tablecloth. You are taken back your tablecloth. నువ్వు నీ టేబుల్ క్లాత్ని నువ్వు మళ్ళీ తీసేసుకున్నావు అని చెప్పేసి నువ్వు చీటర్ అని చెప్పేసి అంటున్నాడు. ఏమని అంటున్నాడు? You are a cheater. Okay. Then Northwind said, no, said the Northwind. Yes, what is it said? No, I am not. No, said the Northwind. Okay, love you? Northwind said, that is not the way I work, but I will give you ram this time. I am not doing like that. I gave only the tablecloth, but you are missing that one. So I will give you a ram this time. So in this time I will give you some ram. Okay, children? So He said each time you rub his wool, he means North Wind. Okay, North Wind said each time you rub his wool, he will drop a piece of gold from his mouth. From his mouth, his means sheep. Sheep means Ram. Okay, Ram mouth. Look after him well. When you want some food, you will rub his wool and then a piece of gold from his mouth. Okay. Then the boy ran back and found the ram at the door of stable behind the inn. Okay, already he's seen that inn also. Yes, the ram back to the found the ram. Okay, and then after the stable. Yes, he catched the ram by the rope around its neck and led it slowly up the stairs of the inn to his room. Yes, he catched the ram by the rope. Okay, he catched the ram. He means boy. Okay, the boy catched the ram by the rope around its neck and led slowly up the stairs of the inn to his room. Okay, then by now the boy was hungry. Okay, the boy was hungry because it was night again. So he patted the ram on its back. He patted the ram on its back. Okay, so he rubbed his wool and he dropped his some gold. So the ram lowered his head and piece of gold dropped from his mouth. So good old North Wind, said the boy. Boy said, good old North Wind. So he paid the innkeeper with the piece of gold for his stay and supper. Okay, that piece of gold to the North Wind to give to the innkeeper and stay and his supper. Okay. He slept suddenly that night with the ram for his pillow. That night also he is slowly sleeping for his pillow. When the boy awake in the morning, when morning is there, so his morning he sat upon for the floor and ram was gone. Okay, and last night also the tablecloth was missing, and at the same time thus ram was also gone. Okay, love you. Did you understand, all of you? In this first section also, in the second section, tablecloth was missing. At the same time, drum was missing. Who is stolen this one? Is tablecloth and this one. What is this? Ram. Okay, who is the stolen for the tablecloth and ram? Can you guess anyone? Okay. We are going to section 3. Okay. He blamed the North Wind again. Yes, who is he? The boy. The boy blamed the North Wind again because his ram was gone. So he blamed the North Wind. So you have taken back your ram. Okay, you have taken back your ram. నువ్వే నా రామ్ని కూడా నువ్వే తీసుకుని ఉంటావు, నువ్వు నన్ను బ్లేమ్ చేసావు అని చెప్పేసి అంటున్నాడు అనమాట. ఓకే, ద North Wind said nothing. I am not doing like that. First one also I will say yes. He put a queer looking stick into a bag and gave it to the boy. Queer looking means strange. Okay, he is looking some strange and stick into a bag. Okay, in first one, what is it below? Yes, bag. He stolen some bag, Yes, so he gave it to the boy. He told him to go back and lock his door tightly at night. You have to take this bag and told him to go back and lock his door tightly at night. Okay, your door is tightly at night. That night the boy was woken up by screams. He opened his eyes to see innkeeper running about in his room. He is going to slowly, he is sleeping. Then he opened his eyes to see the innkeeper. What is the innkeeper doing? He see the running about in his room, being chased and beaten by the stick. Okay, who is the thief in the boy doing? Okay, the boy was know about the innkeeper, so he is chased and beaten by the stick. Okay, then innkeeper cried, help, help. Okay, what is the innkeeper cried? Help, help. The boy quickly realized that the innkeeper had stolen his gifts. Okay, the boy quickly realized. Okay, what is the realizer? That the innkeeper had stolen his gifts. Okay, which gifts he stolen? That the released that boy. And then give me back my ram, said the boy. Okay, my ram also you have stolen, so give me my ram. Okay, and then get it, it is hidden in the barn. Okay, barn means it's where is the ram? It is the building used to keep things or animals. Okay, outdoor shed. Outdoor shed means in our not room, outdoor shed. Okay, that means barn. Okay, said the innkeeper. Okay, where is the ram? It in the barn. So you have to go. Then give me back my tablecloth also, said the boy. Okay, first he asking for some gifts, and then he asking for ram, and then he asking for tablecloth also. So take it, take it. It is in the kitchen. Okay, where is that? Yes, tablecloth is in kitchen and drum is out of our building. So screamed the innkeeper. Okay, screamed means అరవడం, గట్టిగా అరవడం. ఎవరి మీద అరిచాడు? ఇన్కీపర్ మీద. ఎందుకంటే అవన్నీ దొంగతనం చేసింది ఎవరు చేశారు ఇవన్నీ దొంగతనాలు? సో ఇన్కీపర్ చేశాడు కాబట్టి అతని మీద గట్టిగా అరిచి అవన్నీ కూడా తీసుకున్నాడు. దెన్ ద బాయ్ వెంట్ అవుట్, ఫౌండ్ హిజ్ ram in the barn and the tablecloth. Okay, so then the boy went out from his ram in the barn and the tablecloth also. Okay, the boy found the tablecloth in the kitchen and ram in the barn, and then he came back to the room. Okay, where is he go? He came back to the room. Stop, stick, stop now, he said. The stick stopped and jumped into the bag. Okay, the stick stopped and jumped into the bag. The boy picked up the bag and the tablecloth. The boy picked up the bag also. Okay, the north wind take the bag also, you know. Yes, the boy picked up the bag and the tablecloth. Okay, then he leading the ram by a rope, and then he leading the ram by a rope also. Okay, he took the bag and tablecloth and ram by rope. Okay, he went back home. He taken this bag, tablecloth and ram, and then he went to back home. His mother was very glad to see him and then lived happily very ever after. So his mother very glad, చాలా గొప్పగా ఫీల్ అయింది. షీ ఈజ్ వెరీ ప్రౌడ్ టు సీ హిమ్ అండ్ దెన్ లివ్డ్ హ్యాపీలీ ఎవర్ ఆఫ్టర్. సో how is that lesson, children? So he is taken some bag and tablecloth and ram also. Okay,